Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing. Well, turn out the lights, the party's over. This is the end of the 20th anniversary, or 20th annual Crusin for a Cure car show here in Costa Mesa Fairgrounds in Orange County. It was just an amazing show. Lots of amazing people, saw lots of amazing cars. Just had a great time, saw a lot of people. Just a wonderful time. And this show is a little bittersweet for me because I've just kind of come to the realization as I was talking to Debbie Baker, who puts on an amazing show for an amazing cause, that I've been doing this one for about excuse me, for about 15 years, and it could be my last. So those have been following along. It's been a pleasure doing these shows. I hope to do some more. I'm going to really miss this crowd. Some other opportunities, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing some different things possibly. So we've got the trailer all packed up. The 57's nestled tight inside. But it's been a great ride coming to the show. Just an amazing cause for cancer research, for prostate cancer. Read up on it. Men, get yourself checked, especially if you're 40 and over. That's the neat thing about this show, is it does provide that. And there's just the rig there, all ready to go. So maybe I'll be back next year. We'll see. But this is the 20th. This was my 15th one I've done. Somebody else did it before, and just a great cause. I hope somebody else, if I'm not back, I hope somebody else picks up the torch and runs with it. Lots of great stuff going on here. It's such a wonderful show and such a great venue to do it at. But yeah, so thank you, Tricia. Yeah, this is a beautiful rig. Hope to see it around being used. We've got some great plans, hopefully coming to fruition next year. And just stay tuned. Get out there, drive them, whether they're in progress, whether they're show cars, whether they're trailer queens. Get out there, enjoy your cars, guys. And those Trifive guys out there, you know where to go to get your parts. Danchuk Manufacturing makes absolutely the best parts for these cars, bar none. So, you know where to go. We're here to help. We'll get you through to the finish line. Again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing. Wonderful farewell. We'll talk to you soon. Hopefully we'll see you down the road. Take care.